This video will show you how to create an everyday low pricing policy. In Vast Online, you can view, edit, and add new everyday low pricing policies. You can either edit the price one item at a time, or you can import an X file with the desired changes. Click in the Maintenance menu from the vertical toolbar. Then, select the Everyday Low Pricing tab from the price header. You can either edit a previously created policy by clicking on the pencil icon at the grid, or to add a new policy, click on the Add button. Assign a name to the policy in the Everyday Low Event field. And on the Start Date and End Date fields, use the drop-down calendar to select the start and end dates for the policies. Select the store locations where the policy will apply. If you check a region or a district, all of the stores within will automatically be selected. Also, you can opt to select all the options by clicking on the Select All checkbox. To import a policy from a CSV Excel sheet, click on the Import button from the lower side. From the Import Everyday Low Event prompt, click on the Choose File button and select the CSV Excel file from your computer. Your Excel file must be formatted correctly for the import to be successful. The file must have the following headings: MFG code. This code must be a valid Vast Online code. Part code and amount when the import price type is either dollar over cost or specific dollar amount. When the import price type is percentage over cost, rename the column amount for the word percentage. Select the desired import price type from the dropdown. Then, click on the Upload Field button. The prompt will now display all of the records imported, showing the valid and invalid records. When a product is marked as invalid, it is most likely due to the product code not on file. To save the changes, click on the Update button and a secondary prompt will appear. Click Yes. The records will now be shown on the Everyday Low Pricing pop-up. You can edit or delete the product line as desired. To finish, click Save. The prompt will close and a confirmation message will appear. If you want to manually add a policy instead of importing an Excel file, click on the Add button from the Everyday Low Pricing pop-up. The Everyday Low Pricing policy window will display. From the scope box, select one of the following: one account to select only one account code, account range to select multiple account codes, one product to select only one product, and product range to select multiple products. Once the selection is made, you will have to identify the account code or product number you want to use. From the Unit Selling Price box, select a price base from the following: over cost to adjust the price against the product cost. Under List, this will reduce the selling price. Over List, this will increase the selling price, or specific dollar amount to adjust the price to a fixed dollar amount. Define the adjustment type. You can adjust the percentage or dollar amount. If specific dollar amount is selected, you can adjust by price or by labor. Click on the Save button. The prompt will close and a confirmation message will appear. Click Save to finish. If you require further assistance, contact the Vast Online support team. Thank you for watching.